fly-by-night. Thursday, the 21st of June to Saturday, the 23rd of June. East Thamesmead. Co-presented with London International Festival of Theatre, LIFT. Part of 1418 Now, World War I Centenary Art Commissions. Co-presented with LIFT, specially trained pigeons elegantly twirl, swoop and glide through the skies in the UK premiere of this outdoor work, which is highly visual and speech-free. Shuttle buses will be available from Abbeywood Station straight to the performance site for all ticket users. If travelling by car, limited blue badge parking is available. Audience members with additional access requirements should contact LIFT directly on 020 7968 6808 to book tickets and ensure a car parking space. Accessible tickets include a free personal assistant ticket each. These are offered on a first-come, first-served basis.